need some help this morning, though. One of the lines that we sing in this song is pretty low for Ray and I, so we need y'all to help us out, okay? Especially you ladies that like to sing that low bass. All right, it goes like this. Let me hear you. Ready? 2, 3, go. Get in line, brother, if you want to go home. Now, it's going to start out with that line, and then you'll hear it as we sing, all right? Get in line, brother. Let's sing it, guys. Ready? 1, 2, come on, sing it with us. Get in line, brother, if you want to go home. Get in line, brother, if you want to go home. Get on your knees and right that wrong. Then you'll be singing this old time song. Let me hear you. Get in line, brother, if you want to go home. Hey! Now listen to me, Satan, I have righted that wrong. Got a one-way ticket and I'm going home. I've got no worries as I sing this song. Here we go. Get in line, brother, if you want to go home. Yeah. Get in line, brother, if you want to go home. Get on your knees and right that wrong. Then you'll be singing this old time song. Let me hear you. Get in line, brother, if you want to go home. Here we go. All right. If I could tell you, brother, just how I feel, then I'm sure you know the love God is real. Then you'll be praying as I sing this song. Let me hear you. Get in line, brother, if you want